Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do an eyelet I-cord bind off. I use this bind off on my Butterfield shawlette design, and it's really fun and really pretty, so I'll just show you how to do it. You want to make sure your right side is facing, and the first step is you want to cast on 2 additional stitches, and I like to do the cable cast on method, which is you take your right hand needle and you insert it in between the first and second stitch on your left hand needle. And then you're just going to wrap your yarn around like you would if you were knitting the stitch. And you're just going to pull it through, and then you're just going to place it on your left hand needle. And then you're going to do that one more time so that you've cast on 2 additional stitches. Just like that. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to knit these first 2 stitches. One, two. And then what you're going to do is you're going to knit the next 2 together. So to do that, you're just going to insert your right needle into these first 2 stitches, and you're going to knit those together. So now you have 3 stitches on your right needle. And then all you're going to do now is you're just going to slip these stitches back to your left needle, and you're going to repeat those steps again. You're going to knit the first 2, and then you're going to knit these 2 together. So when you knit these 2 together, you're just decreasing 1 stitch, and that's how you're binding off. And slip these 3 back, and then repeat it again. Knit 1, 2, and then knit the next 2 together. You're going to repeat these steps until your last 3 stitches. Okay, so we've made it to the last 3 stitches. I'm just going to slip them back onto the left hand needle. And after you've done that, all you're going to do is you're just going to knit these 3 together. Just like that. And at this point you could cut your yarn and you just want to pull the tail through. And then you can see that it makes little pretty eyelets all along the edge of the I-cord, and it's a nice bind off for a shawl.